Let's talk about your baby's sleep checklist. First off, make sure your little one has a fresh diaper. A clean diaper can help avoid any mid-sleep disturbances due to wetness or discomfort.
Next, feeding. Some babies sleep better with a full tummy. Whether it's breastfeeding, formula, or, for older babies, some solid food, make sure your little one is fed and burped.
Now, let's move to the bedtime routine. Keep it consistent to help signal to the baby that it's time to sleep. This could include reading a story, singing a lullaby, or gentle rocking. Next on the list is comfortable clothing. Dress your baby in suitable pajamas for the room temperature. Remember, safety first, so avoid loose items. Let's check the room temperature. The baby's room should be neither too hot nor too cold. Ideally, it should be between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 and 22 degrees Celsius.
Next, the sleep environment. Lay the baby down on a firm and flat mattress, in a safety-approved crib or bassinet. Make sure there are no toys, pillows, or loose blankets with the baby to ensure safe sleep. If your baby likes white noise or soft lullabies, feel free to use them. If you use a night light, make sure it's dim and soothing. For older babies, a comfort object, like a soft stuffed animal without any loose pieces or small parts, might help them sleep.
If your baby takes a pacifier, make sure it's clean and in good condition. A short and soothing baby massage can also help relax your baby.
Ensure a calm environment. Dim the lights and reduce loud noises around the house. It can help signal to the baby that it's nighttime and time to wind down.
Finally, conduct a final check. Ensure the baby's nose and mouth are clear and they're breathing comfortably. If you use a baby monitor, turn it on and make sure it's working. Lastly, don't forget about yourself. Take a moment to relax and breathe. Babies often pick up on our emotions. A calm demeanor can help the baby relax too. Remember, every baby is unique. What works for one baby might not work for another. It might take some time, but you'll eventually figure out the best bedtime routine for your little one. Different methods provide different results. It's the best if you could try to understand better what your loves needs. Sweet dreams.